Good morning, dear students. Welcome in social science class. Dear students, although we have completed this chapter in live class, but many students were there who were not present in the class. For them, I'm just sending a gist of the topic, what exactly it is. Life in the temperate grasslands. Before that, we have completed the topic of the chapter about the hot desert and the cold desert, like Sahara and Ladakh, we have discussed. And here we have life in temperate grasslands. Temperate grasslands, here it is a location. Here is your equator around 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degrees south. We have here Tropic of Capricorn. It is Tropic of Cancer. Just above from 23.5 degree to 66.5 degree, we have temperate grasslands. And here also 23.5 degree up to 66.5 degree, we have temperate grasslands. Look at here, this is the region of temperate region, about 23.5 degree to 66.5 degree in North America. So here they have given you about the different grasslands which we have already discussed in previous chapter. The prairies of North America, pampas in South America, steppes we can found in little part of Asia as well as Russia as well as Europe, downs in Australia and wells in Africa. These are the specific grasslands, temperate grasslands where the temperature is little bit moderate and which is suitable for animals, even the human beings also. And vegetation cover is quite less. Only grasslands are found here, and rainfall is not that much high, or which is not suitable for the growth of trees. So grasslands in North America are known as the prairies. They cover a large area of USA and Canada. USA you can consider this one, and Canada this one part you can consider. This area is drained by the river Mississippi, very important river Mississippi, and its tributaries are giving them water for the different region. The basin is very fertile and important for agriculture just because this river is carrying the silt, which is quite fertile, and great alluvium along with it during its way, and providing such fertile region for these specific areas. The prairies have a continental type of climate. Summers are very hot and winters are cold. Temperature sometimes goes up to high till 38 degrees Celsius, and in winters it reaches around minus 40 degree. That is quite less. A freezing situation. The rainfall is not sufficient for the growth of trees. Instead, different types of grasses can be found here. In some places, grass grows then taller than a man just because of quite good facilities of fertile soil and rainfall. The common animals here, jackal, rabbit, deer, dog, etc. Large herds of bison. Bison is an American buffalo. Look at the picture here. This is called bison. These are the specific animals which are found in the prairies, grasslands. Prairies are now converted for the farm areas or for the cultivated land just because increase in population. Ranches in America, look at the big ranches, and they are using these ranches for the cultivation as well nowadays. A large part of prairies is now being converted into agricultural land. The main crops are wheat, corn, oat, etc. because it required less water, and in these areas water concentration is quite less. The rainfall level is less, not suitable for each kind of cultivation. The farms are big in size and the work is mostly done with the help of machines. Look at the farms also. Extensive type of agriculture is there. Extensive type of cultivation means when the modern means of tools are used, techniques are used, even HYV seeds, high yielding variety seeds are also using for the production. And here they have given a concept about mixed farming, that is the growing of crops along with the rearing of animals. Prairies have become famous as granaries of the world. This is very important. If we will ask, then what that to whom we can consider as granaries of the world, that we can write the prairies of North America. The population is mainly concentrated around wheat growing areas or rivers because the concentration Just because of agricultural part, the concentration of population is quite high in those areas, especially the water areas. The prairies are very well connected with all modern means of transportation. That's why the cultivation also increase, and they are able to grow the things and able to do this livelihood. Due to the increase in population in the recent past, the grasslands have been cleared for agricultural construction of transport routes and settlements, and now it resulted the serious problem for the environment also. Somewhere soil erosion is going on, and somewhere drought conditions are occurring just because of irrational use of the environment. People are using irrationally their environment, and ultimately what happened, the environment is getting disturbed and not suitable for the human use. Next we have here Wales. Wales is a location in South Africa, the south of South Africa. We can say that these are the Wales grasslands, as a Dutch word which means field. The temperate grasslands of South Africa covers the southern part of Africa. This region is covered by the Wales. It lies between the Drakensberg. Drakensberg is a plateau region in the east and merges with the Kalahari Desert. Here we have the Kalahari Desert in the western part. It's also known as High Wales because it located in the plateau surface. It is a plateau surface, and two rivers are there who are providing water. Like one is River Orange and another is River Limpopo. They are providing water in these regions. A well is situated near the coast. This one is coast, and here we have the ocean cover. Here the place we have Cape of Good Hope. Cape of Good Hope, the lowest part of Africa. It has the moderate type of climate. Moderate means average, not so hot, not so cold. The summers are short and warm. The winters are long and cool. Rainfall is also low just because a desert area and plateau area. Droughts are common in these areas just because of scanty rainfall, and the climate gets cooler as the height increases. It's a concept whenever we goes upward, every uh, we can say that whenever we are covering distance, then every 1 kilometer to 1 kilometer the temperature is goes down. Due to this climatic condition, plants do not grow here, and that's why the grass are dominant vegetation in these areas. Look at the grass also little short and soft, but in tropical regions the grasses are quite hard and tall. Sometimes if water facilities, if nutrition facilities or mineral facilities are good in these areas, then only the size of the grasses can be grow. Agricultural is not possible in the well plateau and area, and the soil is infertile. In addition, there is a lack of availability of water, hence there is the low agriculture production here. The well grasslands are rich in variety of minerals like gold, diamond and coal. Mines are common in Johannesburg also. Look at the location of Johannesburg. And the diamond mines are also very famous. Of Kimberley diamond mines are very famous of South Africa. The agro-based and mineral-based industries are also set up just because these facilities are there in these regions. And next, the well area has reduced drastically due to the development of towns, cities, industries, and natural environment. In the well grasslands is also disturbed because of the rapid development in the specific areas. People are very badly or irrationally exploiting its nature, and at the end it is creating problem for the people as well as for the environment also. So this was all today. The next we will do in the next day we will cover up and try to complete your GK pages also, which I have already sent you. All right, thank you.